Hello everybody, this is Lauren of Plan Mosh Plan. Welcome back to another plan with me. This week I am using this kit from the Pretty Pink Co. I actually don't know the name of it. I can probably look it up. It's really pretty. It is a gorgeous, like, kind of, I don't know the word. It almost feels like a retro lemon kit to me or something. I don't know. Whenever she released it, I hadn't seen anything else like it from any other sticker shop, and I was so excited to pick it up and so excited to use it all summer. And it definitely didn't disappoint. I had so much fun using it, and I really, really like how the spread came out. I don't think I mentioned at the beginning of the video, but this is a memory plan with me for the week of August 9th in my Aura Estelle Cloud Planner. If you're new to my channel, I do memory planning videos primarily, and I've got a really kind of decorative sticker kind of style that I like to do. So that's a little bit about what this kit is for this week. I want to mention too, I am currently in Hawaii, which is great. If you just watched a plan with me a few weeks ago, I was doing a voiceover there too, and kind of the same situation. There's fans going here. I can hear birds chirping. I don't have my regular audio set up, so I have no idea how the audio quality of this video is going to be, so apologies in advance if it's not great. I also want to mention too that I had been talking about in past videos and on my Instagram doing some double plan with me's to get caught up for my summer spreads. I only have a few left at this point, really, and I was actually planning on doing a double plan with me with this spread and then a Crafts by Towie kit that I have coming up. I have that filmed and I'm trying to edit it while on vacation. I have less time to do it than I thought I was going to be totally honest. So I am just uploading this one, I think, as a single plan with me, and then I'll upload the Crafts by Towie one hopefully in a couple of days. I'm gonna edit that one on the plane, I think on the plane ride home is my goal. And yeah, I'm thinking I have two more spreads for the rest of August after that I think are both going to be two little bees, and I'll probably do a double plan with me for those. I wasn't originally planning on it because both of those weeks were like fun, exciting weeks in my life, where I didn't feel like I needed to get them out of the way, but I think that'll be the plan. I might do a double plan with me for both of the weeks that I was in Hawaii in the fall too. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking. And then hopefully I'll be done with anything kind of summer and tropical, and we can just totally focus on fall because I am so excited for fall spreads. I am so in the mood to do them, and I kind of just want to get all these out of the way so I can get in that mindset. Okay, so I've kind of talked over everything so far. I apologize. It's all been pretty standard though. Date cover deco, I just cut up a bunch of stuff from the kit. And then I used, I don't have my planner in front of me, so I'm just looking at a photo, but I think that those dividers were from Letters to Apollo, and then just a lot of my usual like foil stuff. From Butterflies are from Olive Planner Co., a lot of Honey Ink, some Sadie stickers, etc., etc. And then in the sidebar here, the dots that I'm using, the dotted kind of dividers that I'm using all throughout the kit are from Paper Trail Plans. Really enjoyed using those. I think they're so fun. Lustrous Plans, who is Jess, who is one of the owners of Paper Trail Plans, she always puts them in her spreads and they look so good, and I was so pleased that when I used them I felt like they looked not just as good, you know, that they look good on my spread too. I was excited. And then let's see, Bloom Paper Studio is where I got that other divider that I put underneath the full box in the sidebar. And then I'm just kind of creating my own checklist here. I think there was one in the kit that I didn't love the design of, so I decided to just make my own using some bows from my Spoiled Planner. They are super offset and uneven, so we're just not going to talk about it because I don't know. I knew it when I was pulling it down, but I was like, I don't want to mess up these stickers, so we're just gonna leave it. It's fine. Anyway, so I'm doing that, and then I'm also creating like a little area using she includes some scallop dividers from the kit, some deco, some more of the Paper Trail Plans dividers, and then I'm using one of the Sadie stickers and Shantae Plans collab signs to mark my week of work from home. Hint, hint, wink, wink. I think these, you know, pay attention on Instagram if you're interested in these signs, is what I've heard. A little birdie told me. Anyways, okay. And then speaking of that, up on the top of the like upper left-hand corner where I did the August, marked the month, I used one of the frames from that kit and layered a bunch of deco and a big like, I don't know, it's supposed to be like a citrus slice of some sort with some paper trail plan scripts and then some hanging deco and stuff. You can see up there now. Super cute. I really like how that turned out. I felt like it was just fun to layer all that stuff. I put some greenery behind it. I think that the little garland I used is from Sadie Stickers or My Cloud Planner, I can't remember, and then the hanging deco is from the Giving Girl. Okay, moving on to the week. Monday was pretty boring, not too much to really talk about here. I marked that I restarted Noom. I was if you've been with me for the past year, I started doing Noom, I think last December, and did it pretty consistently for a few months pretty much until I got vaccinated and until people in California could get vaccinated. And then once the world started opening up and I was going out to dinner and going out to eat and going over to people's houses and stuff, I fell off a little bit, which is fine. I mean, that's life. Life happens. So I've been trying to kind of pick it up here and there, but I'm still trying to find the balance of like how to incorporate it into life without I don't know, being at home 24/7 and being able to control and count everything that goes into my mouth, which I don't think is super healthy either. So I don't know. Anyways, I try not to talk too much about Noom. It's not a topic I love to talk about just because diet culture and all that is just such a sensitive thing. So anyways, I'm going to drop it there, leave it there, but that's what I marked at the beginning of Monday. I also marked how many meetings I had, a voiceover, I made some grilled pita wraps, and then I did some deco at the bottom of the day. Okay, the box that I put on top of Tuesday, I'm obsessed with. This box I think made the kit for me. Her like jeans with the flowers and the bandana coming out of her butt pocket, like I can't even, it's so cute. I love it. For all of the boxes too, I put a divider from, I think Jackson Pepper is the one that I put in between the header and the full box, and then the one at the bottom again is from Paper Trail Plans. I mark my meetings the same way every day with just a little bit of deco from the kit, the little boxes that she includes, and then some kind of different foiled florals from Honey Inked for the most part. I marked a call this day with White Dare stationery icons, and then this happened twice. There was 2 different issues I had with YouTube where I had to reach out to YouTube customer service, and I can't remember which one this was in particular, but I had one that I had to reach out to them where all my videos disappeared from my channel, so that kind of scared the crap out of me. And then another one where my comments like were all messed up and weren't showing up on a video that I did a giveaway for, which kind of sucked. Like I could only see a couple of them on the video, but I could see a lot of them like in the like notification center, but they weren't showing up on the video. And then other people were DMing me that they were commenting and it was disappearing and stuff. So that was a whole mess. I spent a lot of time on the phone with them trying to sort that out. And then I also uploaded a plan with me on Tuesday. Again, most of the stuff is florals from the kit, Honey Ink, Sadie Sticker kind of floral deco. All the bows that I'm using to foil icons are from My Spoiled Planner. And the icons, the foiled ones are from Crafts by Towie, and the doodle ones are from White Dare Stationery. That's pretty consistent throughout the whole spread. Okay, so on, what is that, Wednesday, I marked that I had a meeting. I took Steven to physical therapy in the morning and went and got coffee. So again, deco, Crafts by Towie, icons, White Dare Stationery icons, etc. And then I had some more fun with the frame boxes from the Shante Plans and Sadie Stickers collab. I took some of the deco that she had in the kit and I like put it so it looks like it was coming out from the bottom of the box, and then I put a Paper Trail Plans Upload Plan With Me script there, and I actually end up moving that banner that I just put down. I actually just, do you ever do that? I don't know if you saw me, but I literally just ripped it with my hands instead of cutting it. I feel like that's something after a lot of years of stickering, you kind of learn how to do with certain stickers, but watching it back when I was editing it, I was like, what the heck was that, Lauren? Anyways, I also marked that I walked to Target this day, and at the very bottom, I actually put in the, I keep saying actually, that's annoying, I apologize, but I put in the full box, and I said actually, I think because I don't normally do it, I put that I went to the pool in the afternoon this day. It was actually a pretty light work day, and I think I finished working around like 4 and was just like, I'm gonna go to the pool. We have a really nice pool in our apartment complex, so I just hung out there for a while, had my phone open to answer emails, but really just kind of chilled. Again, the pool day script is a custom from Paper Trail Plans, and the swimsuit that I put in there was from Crafts by Towie. Okay, on to the second half of the week. Again, marking my meetings this day, honestly, pretty boring. I did have fun layering. I liked in this kit her florals. She had like lemons and stuff, and I like that she does individual pieces of greenery. That way you can kind of make your own bouquets, or that's what I like to do with it. I like to kind of make my own bouquets of things when kits offer individual pieces of greenery. So I did that a couple of times with like the lemons and stuff. I thought that was cute. I also really like that she offers these, they're like quarter size boxes, but they don't go the full width of the column. Love it. I think that's such a fun little size of sticker to include in your kits. For me, it's great for marking meetings. And I also like when kits like formats offer the same kind of sticker, so I can mark things the same way throughout a spread. To me, it just helps make a spread look more cohesive instead of just having like one of each different kind of sticker. I like that too, but I do like when there's multiples of things, so I can kind of, I don't know, have a bit of a cohesive element running throughout my spread. Okay, I also marked filming a haul this day, and then I originally had put the sticker sheets from Crafts by Towie there, but I also organized my stickers this day. I used a little third, I think she calls them mini boxes from the Pretty Pink Co. to actually layer on top of the third box from the kit, because the one in the kit wasn't whited out enough for my preference. I like to write on whited out backgrounds, so I did that myself, and then just added some florals on the right hand side to cover up where it didn't line up perfectly. Marked some laundry, and then again, I really like cutting florals in half and adding like butterflies and dots and little kind of leaves and twigs and branches and stuff behind them, so to just make a little floral scene at the bottom, so I did that there as well. Okay, Friday was actually a really like busy day. In the morning, I had to take Steven to physical therapy again pretty early, so I marked that I dropped him off there, and then I went to Starbucks, got Starbucks, and I actually had a call during his therapy appointment, so I had to take the call from Starbucks, so I marked all that in one sticker. And then we also had the cleaners coming in the afternoon, so we had to be back in the afternoon. But before that, which I haven't marked just yet, I think I'm about to mark, yeah, right here, we had to drop my car, or our car, off at my parents' house to get it detailed. My dad had some guys coming over to detail some of their cars, and he very kindly and sweetly let me drop mine off, so that was such a big help. So we dropped the car off there, and then maybe we stayed there and worked for a bit, or no, I think we took my mom's car back to our house to meet the cleaners there. And then once we were done with all of those kind of errands and chores in the morning, I actually went out shopping in the afternoon. I walked downtown and did some shopping for a bridal shower that I was going to, and I think I bought some stuff for myself too. Oh yeah, I more shopped for stuff to wear to the bridal shower, not for a gift. I already got her something. So anyways, I did that, and then, oh, actually, that foiled sticker with all the presents and stuff, that's from Paper Muse Crafts. It's not from Crafts by Towie, even though it kind of looks like it could be. And then I also marked after we were done, or after I was done shopping and Steven was done working, we met up and had a burger date, which was fun. Went out there, and then at the very bottom, I again used another, like I put a little a midi box from Sadie Stickers. I put it sideways and used some Crafts by Towie stickers to mark after our date. We went hot tubbing that night and then watched Interstellar and kind of just continued our date night at home. So yeah, it was there was a couple busy days this week where I had to use the full boxes to mark all the stuff, which I don't typically do. I kind of feel like I used to do it, but not so much anymore. Anyways, okay, moving on to Saturday, I went to a bridal shower for my friend in the morning. That was really fun, really nice to see some of my girlfriends and also like our parents. This friend of mine, we've been friends since we were 5 years old, as well as a lot of our other friends. So it's kind of to the point of like we're all friends, but I'm also friends with everybody's moms because it's like we've known each other for 25 years at this point. So it's always good to see them. I also marked a pool day here. After the bridal shower, I went over to my in-laws' place with Steven, and I marked the pool day there. I actually switched up some of the stickers. I took some sunglasses and marked the pool day with the paper trail plan script. I cut that up. I've been doing that a lot lately to make sure that I can kind of center all of the words, because some of their scripts, the like bottom word is way off to the side, so I just cut it up and do it myself. And because it's premium transparent matte paper, you can't really tell that I cut it up, and it's a beautiful thing. Wouldn't be that way if it was on glossy. Anyways, so the rest of what I'm marking here is we just hung out at my in-laws' house all day or all afternoon, just in their pool, drinking beer and all of that, and then we barbecued there. And then when Steven and I got home that night, we watched Ocean's 11, which Steven had never seen, and I was like blown away because that probably came out around the time we started dating, and I've probably seen it like 10 times, and I'm like, how have you never seen this? So anyways, that was kind of it. So moving on to Sunday. Sunday was a pretty standard lazy day for me. This is like a very typical Sunday. I uploaded a haul. Always great when I can get a video up on Sundays. That's my favorite. I also just spent most of the day filming. I used the tripod with some of the florals, and then those bows came from the kit to make a little list that I filmed both a plan with me and a plan ahead video. I have that plan ahead video edited, and I just need to upload it. I will do that very soon. That one's like ready to go. It's going to take a while to upload because my plan ahead videos are always pretty long. So, but that'll be I really love that spread, the way that spread turned out. So I'm excited to share it with you. We also had a call with our real estate agent on this day. Mark that with a flag from the kit. I really like that the flags in her kit don't go the full width of the column. They're so like little and cute, and I love it. And then again down here, I'm just doing some kind of floral deco, all that stuff, making my own little scene. And then I am just marking that I did a big meal prep day this day using, oh, I didn't mention it, but I used all of those Crafts by Towie circle like scallops every day throughout the spread. So sorry, I forgot to mention that. Okay, so just showing you my leftover stickers there, and then now I am putting them into my leftover sticker book. As always, I say this in every video, but if you're new to my channel, I take all of the leftover stickers that I have from sticker kits and I put them in leftover sticker books or just sticker books, and then once the sticker books are full, I do a giveaway for them on my channel, so someone will receive all the leftovers. Here's the spread in full. I actually sped this part up, and I didn't put it at the beginning too because it was cloudy out when I was filming this, and I was about to leave on an airplane, so I kind of had to get it done, so the coloring and lighting is not great, so I apologize for that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I really hope you enjoy this spread and this kit. Oh, I do have a coupon code for the Pretty Pink Co. It's Lauren15 and a freebie, but I think that's it. Thanks. Bye.